Good day. Chris Buchanan. I work for Dell Computer. I'm the Director of Client Services and Solutions in South Africa. I'm here today to talk to you about future-ready computing, which is based on a study that Dell has done over the last 18 months over 8 different countries with almost 4,000 participants. It was based on a questionnaire that was sent out to employees, asking them what they see as their role of technology in the workplace and what they would like to see in terms of developments. A lot of the information that came back was quite surprising. We discovered that people who work remotely identify more closely with their job in terms of defining who they are than people who work from an office, which is almost counterintuitive. Some of the other things that were discovered is that people see technology as really important in terms of their work and their work ethic and the way in which they work for different organizations. They feel that it defines whether or not they do want to join a company or stay with a company. Actually, 31% of employees that were studied in South Africa said that they would leave an organization if they found the technology was insufficient for their needs. Other facts that came out was 67% of employees felt that the technology that they had at home was superior to the technology that they were using in the workplace. So there are a number of reasons why people choose to work at home. Interestingly enough, it varies between genders. So women prefer to work remotely or at home because they find that they're far more productive. Males prefer to work at home because they actually feel that it gives them a better work-life balance. So between people in the same age group, same categories, but different genders, the benefits of working from home vary. In terms of focusing on the home workforce or the remote worker, key things are to make sure that employees have as easy access to information inside an office workspace as they would outside of a workspace. Challenges with that come to the fact that a lot of the information that's required in order to work properly is not readily available on the hard drive of the device that they have. So connectivity and the speed of connectivity, as well as the applications themselves, are core in terms of delivering that experience for a home work user or a remote user. So the challenge with many organizations is technology is seen as a grudge purchase. It is something that allows people to do their job, but is not being used to improve the productivity of the employee. And if you focus on trying to improve the productivity of the employee, you'll find that you're investing in better technology and getting far higher productivity out of the employee themselves. Not only that, you're also creating a far more motivated employee as they feel that the organization values their contribution and is prepared to assist in making them more productive. One of the fantastic benefits around working from home is that because people don't need to commute, you're reducing your carbon footprint. So it's actually a very green way to go. A lot of organizations overlook this, but Dell's seen that they are saving over 6,500 tons of carbon emissions on an annual basis based on their work from home policy. The end goal of the study, which we embarked on, was we would like organizations to change their perspective on the way they invest in technology, and that they should use as a main objective improving the productivity of their employees, rather than viewing technology as a grudge purchase and something that has to be repeated on a 3 or 5 year cycle. So the key components and conclusions from the study is if you are investing in a mobile employee, you need to consider the device itself needs to be light, it needs to connect easily, it needs to have very good sound and video, and it needs to make a realistic or an opportunity for an employee to interact remotely with other employees in the most realistic possible way. So it's almost as if they're in the same office with you. It's Chris Buchanan from Dell Computer, Director of Client Solutions. Thank you.